In the previous class, we learned 2-letter words. So now we will blend with this and make 3-letter words. CVC, 3-letter words. We will blend A, B. First, A is a vowel, B is a consonant. So we will add one more consonant and make a 3-letter words. C, first A, B, ab. So C, A, B, cab. D, A, B, dab. G, A, B, gab. J, A, B, jab. L, A, B, lab. T, A, B, tab. N, A, B, nab. F, A, B, fab. C, A, B, cab. J, A, B, jab. So we learn ab and make a 3-letter words with ab. Now next, A, D, add. S, A, D, sad. We can also learn with the sound S, add, sad. P, add, pad. M, add, mad. H, add, had. D, ab, D, a, d, dad. D, a, d, dad. H, a, d, had. B, a, d, bad. F, add, fad. L, add, lad. K, add, cad. B, ag, bag. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. N, ag, nag. L, ag, lag. V, ag, wag. J, ag, jag. S, ag, sag. Z, ag, zag. G, ag, gag. Next, am, am. We can read with the sound also and we can read with the letter also. RAM, ram. And what is the sound of R? Am, ram. HAM, ham. We can also say am, ham. Am, jam. Am, dam. Am, fam. Am, yam. Am, sam. Am, pam. Am, lamb. Am, tam. If you practice these words, so you can make a new words easily and you can read the words very easily. So you can write on your notebook and take a screenshot and do practice more and more. In the next class, we will read more CVC words. Thank you for watching my video.